This is an update of the MADA driver assistant. MADA is multimodal agentic driver assistant. And the update is related to the agent part, which is currently based now on the LangGraph framework. Okay, but first I want to give a fast presentation about fast description of MADA. MADA is based on very simple hardware, and I wanted to do as much as possible for a driver assistant with only the three things I had at home, which is a camera, a computer, and a cell phone. The camera is an Intel RealSense, which provides color and distance or depth images. And then you have the computer, which is a Mac M1. And we have a cell phone, a normal Android phone, a Samsung. And the role of the camera, of course, is, as I said, providing color and distance images. The cell phone, first we will see that it provides the speed by accessing through a package to the GPS. It also provides speech recognition with the internal packages from the Android phone. And this part of accelerometer and gyroscope is not, it's working, but it's not used yet. And the third thing that the cell phone is doing is providing the communications to the whole system, because the connection between the processing modules, such as the object detector or the speech to text to the driver agent, which is let's say the most interesting part, is done through WebSockets, and the WebSockets, the cell phone is connected in wireless, and I use the cell phone as the Wi-Fi hotspot. It provides the communication from the whole systems, and the communication from the object detector to the driver agent. It's also through WebSockets over an internet connection. So it could work from another computer, but well, I just have one computer, and these processes are working in parallel in the same computer. The last module that I want to talk about is the text-to-speech. It's a very simple one, and it's the only output to the driver. Of course, all of these systems, the camera is installed in the frontal part of the car, inside the car, because it's connected to the computer with a USB cable, and the phone is, of course, near the driver, because the driver is going to request things, and the phone is going to recognize them, and the computer is on the right of the driver. And there is no much more interface than the voice interface from the text-to-speech system. And there is no interface with the car, no onboard diagnostics interface, nothing like that. Only text-to-speech, warnings to the driver. And regarding the driver agent, we are going to see it in more detail, but for now it's important to know that there are two ways of working with it. It works in two ways. One of them is an automatic or event-driven way, which is the one that, let's say, it's a classical approach. You detect information, you detect images, you detect speed, you cross this information in the driver agent, and in case there is some kind of risk, there is a warning that is automatically going to the text-to-speech system. And there is another way, which is the one that has been updated now, which is the driver request initiated actions. In the two previous versions, it was possible to interact with the system, but now it's more robust and more functional.